Hi everyone, so I am the eighth winner for the 10K giveaway competition, and this is what I won. I'll be doing an unboxing video. So I won the professional nail lamp. This is the LED nail lamp. Let's go. So this is what it is. This is what it looks like in case. Here. Comes with a plug, and this is the lamp itself. As you can see, it's brand new. I received my gift. I received it the same day of the competition. I got it the same evening, which I wasn't expecting. That was very fast and efficient. Thank you so much, and I will definitely continue to recommend you guys and continue to ship with you. All the best, and I hope to win again soon. Bye.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.